We're staying at Epic Universe this week, and today we're staying at Terra Luna, which is one of the twin resorts. It's about a 5-minute bus ride to Epic Universe, and about a 15-minute bus ride to do City Walk and the other Universal Studios parks. Today we are going to do a room review of room 8038. We're up on the 8th floor. And this is the standard suite. Start off with some storage. We have storage or safe, extra blankets, ironing board, luggage rack, all that. And then we have a full-size mirror to the right, and in here we have the bathroom. It's only got the one vanity. Hello. Good sized mirror, a little bit of storage space, and their signature facial soap that you get with the resorts. And then the toilet and shower are all in one room that close off separately from the rest of the room. This is a glass see-through wall, but on the other side, for privacy, is a curtain that you can pull to cover it. And these are the beds. We have 2 queen-size beds. Plenty of storage over here for our stuff. You got your coffee bar. And they've got, what kind of coffee do they got? We got Cuisinart.
Cheap.
We got little condiments. I don't know what condiments are going with your coffee. But underneath we got our mini fridge. Basic mini fridge. Our TV, our couch. And then we have actually a park view room. So right over there is the Helios Tower. Right over there is the Helios Hotel. And you can see the park is all along over here. Like I said, it's about a 5-minute bus ride. There is no walking path because you gotta go through the whole highway there. So they just have a bus that takes you over. But like I said, it runs every 10, 15 minutes, and it's only about a 5-minute ride. Best thing is, it only makes one stop. It does not share a bus with its twin resort. So, and we got a little moon theme, planet theme going on. Over here we got the remote, the light, oh, the little mushroom light, look at that. And then your basic chargers in the back. This one actually comes with a USB and a USB-C, which everybody loves those. And there's even more in the alarm clock also. USB, USB-C. Let's see if there's any other on the other side of the bed. There is not. So you're going to have everything plugged into the nightstand. You got your basic outlet on that side, and that's it. Nice, comfy. And this room runs about $170 per night. And if you request, if your room's not ready, if you make a request to have your room closer to the elevator like we did, this room was about 6 rooms away from the elevator, so after a long day at the park, that's a pretty good perk to come back to.